Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete an account in IC Markets. So here are the steps how to delete or close your IC Markets account. So first, prepare your account first. Close all open positions and cancel any pending orders. Withdraw all remaining funds and then contact IC Markets support. You must email to support team from the email address registered to your IC Markets account. Use this email to contact them, and then in the email clearly state your request to delete your trading account, your account details, and confirm you have zero balance and no open position. Wait for confirmation. Support will process your request and confirm when your account or profile has been closed. There may be internal checks, so it can take a short time to complete. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.